We have 300 plus locations throughout North America, 18,000 vehicles in the fleet that are running on the Geotab platform. Every time that we buy a company, we put a Geotab into our rolling stock fleet.
We contribute a tremendous amount of resources to the professionalism of our folks to set them up for success. Geotab is really the other side of that coin when it comes to accountability to help ensure that we're performing the services in the correct manner.
We started with Geotab as the core platform, the foundation. We then started bolting things onto it as we were working through it.
Geotab can show us, along with our drive cam system, when we're driving aggressively.
We can run reports for violation on a daily, primarily to monitor HOS, which is our hours of service.
Electronic DVIRs, which we integrate to our maintenance system. Predictive analytics with regards to engine failure and monitoring using the engine setup. If you have 20,000 people, all 20,000 people need to be exercising safety in order to be successful at what you do.